Your brain is holding you back from success. Here's how to fix it. You're not lazy. You're not undisciplined. Your brain is secretly working against your success, and today I'll show you how. Have you ever noticed that just when you decide to improve your life, fear, doubt, and procrastination show up? That's your brain doing what it was designed to do: protect you, not help you succeed. Why your brain resists success? Your brain evolved for survival, not success. Thousands of years ago, avoiding danger mattered more than chasing dreams. Fear disguised as logic. Your brain rarely says, "I'm scared." Instead, it sounds logical. "You're not ready yet. What if you fail?" That's fear pretending to be intelligence. Procrastination isn't laziness. Procrastination is emotional avoidance. Your brain avoids tasks that feel uncomfortable or risky. Comfort zone trap. Your brain prefers familiar pain over unfamiliar progress. Instant gratification problem. Your brain loves quick rewards: likes, notifications, junk food. How to reprogram your brain. The goal isn't to fight your brain, it's to train it. You're not broken. You're running ancient survival software in a modern world. Once you understand this, success becomes simpler. If this helped you, the full article is linked in the description. Like this video, subscribe for mindset content, and share this with someone who needs it today.